Hi guys, how are you? I hope you are all well. So today we are going to explain how to make an incubator at home. So first we need a cardboard box. You can get it from any shop. Uh, this is a simple cardboard box. So next you need a 100-watt yellow bulb. So you can try 60-watt also. This is a temperature controller. Temperature controller. AC and DC both are working. W1209. It's automatic temperature controller and need a 12-watt charger or adapter. So let's try and start this temperature controller. It's working or not. You need some water for controlling humidity. So let's try. You can see here plus and minus, positive negative terminals. So you can see here temperature is 14.7 degree. It's working fine. Now we are checking water. What is the temperature? Temperature change or not? Temperature decreasing. 6. This is working fine. Water temperature is 13 degree. You can buy it from any electric shop. W1209. So next you need the fertilized eggs and wheat scrap, I think wheat scrap or cotton. I hope you enjoy this video. So please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon button